Becky with the Healthy Teaching Kitchen at VA Portland, and today we're going to be making fresh broccoli salad. For ingredients, you'll need 1 bunch of broccoli, a half a cup of finely sliced red onion, 1 to 2 minced garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, a half a cup of rice vinegar, and a half a teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes. We're going to start by adding the sliced onion and the broccoli in a large bowl. Now we're going to take our garlic clove and finely mince it with a chef's knife, and then add it to our salad bowl. Next, we'll measure out and add the remaining ingredients to the mix: the rice vinegar, the sesame oil, and the crushed red pepper flakes. Now we're going to toss everything together. You can do this with tongs, spatulas, or large spoons, whatever you have on hand at home. Chill the salad for at least 20 minutes before serving. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy this recipe.